Thought excels the light in speed. Light travels at the rate of 186,000 miles per second. Thoughts virtually travels in no time. Thought is finer than either the medium of electricity. We know that light travels first. Light is the fastest. But your thoughts are faster than the light. Just you can have a thought now. Immediately, you are in somewhere in America. You will be there. You are already there. That's your thought. You're there already. In fraction of seconds. So when you release your thoughts, it goes. It travels faster than light. And your thoughts are electromagnetic waves. Like we have this internet, the waves, whatever I'm talking, whatever you are seeing, everything coming through the cable, the internet, the wire. Similarly, the signals, whatever these signals, electromagnetic waves, your thoughts or electromagnetic waves. A thought is as much as solid as a piece of stone. We may cease to be, but our thoughts can never die. Friends, once you release thought, it will be there. You cannot remove that. Even you die, the thoughts will be there. After death, whatever you release the thought, those thoughts are disturbing you. If you had evil thoughts during the lifetime, the thoughts already there. After death, those thoughts are disturbing you. That's why many people say that heaven and hell. Heaven and hell. That's the reason many people are praying during the death ceremony to go the soul to higher dimension. Should not struck in this hell that we created with our thoughts. So even after death, it's a forever you can find thoughts are there. It keep on disturbing you. That's why in this lifetime, in this moment, we should have a positive thoughts. Even after your death, you will experience the joy. You will not go to the hell. You will experience the heaven here and there also. If you are experiencing a hell here, when you go there, you are also experiencing the hell. So think about it. We do many prayings, many things, but only it helps a little for the soul, not 100%. So everybody has to think about their thoughts. Thought is a finer force. This is supplied to us by food. If the food is pure, thought also becomes pure. He who has a pure thought speaks very powerfully and produces deep impressions on the minds of hearers by his speech. He influences thousands of persons through his pure thoughts. So we become what we eat. We become what we eat. Food, as I mentioned in before classes, everything carries the energy. And energy also different energy. Fear-based energy, love-based energy, happy energy, greed energy, selfish energy, evil energy, everything is energy. Okay, so when you are taking a food, if it is a pure, if also has some vitamins, proteins, and also had some emotions. If you are eating animal food, we carry those emotions too. We carry those emotions. It releases some poison at the time of killing. We also take that one. So our thoughts also animalistic thoughts sometimes. So food is important. Another one, if you had a pure thoughts and everybody want to sit with you and listen to you, they're happy with their presence. If you are keep on complaining, gossiping on others, that people don't like to sit with you. If they find somebody, those who are talking very good, a positive energy, so people want to spend time with them. They're happy with their presence. They're always looking for those people because of their pure thoughts. Pure thoughts means selflessness, friends. No greedy. Helping always others. A pure soul without any intentions, helping others. A pure thought is as sharper than the edge of a razor. Entertain always pure, sublime thoughts. Thought culture is an exact science. So your thought is more powerful. You can do anything. We don't know that. The great Giza pyramid, how they constructed. That's constructed by the other star beings from other planet. Syrians, called Syrians. How they constructed with the thoughts. With the thoughts energy, they levitated the stones. With the thoughts energy, they cut the stones. There was no technology in those days. Only they used this technology. So we need to learn about these thoughts, friends. This is most important. Thoughts as wireless messages. Those who harbor thoughts of hatred, jealousy, revenge, and malice are very dangerous persons. They cause unrest and ill will amongst men. Their thoughts and feelings are like wireless messages broadcast in ether and are received by those whose minds respond to such vibrations. See, if one person keep on thinking negatively, keep on trying to somebody, hurting somebody, and having all the bad habits, addictions, doing all nonsense, okay, these thoughts goes there. And like that, few other people also same thoughts. Then these thoughts are received by them and strengthen. It's strengthen. All the bad thoughts become strengthened. It's create the bad environment. So those who are the same intentions, same thoughts, they receive those and they become stronger doing the activities, bad activities. At the same time, positive. If you have a peaceful, happy, joyful, always having a positive thoughts, then your thoughts also goes there. And those who are resonating the same, they receive. Like that, 10 people, 100 people, 1,000, million. If everybody having the same thoughts, positive thoughts, then the environment is positive. Then everywhere positive. So whatever you are releasing, you are receiving and other person also receiving. So messages, wireless messages. Like you are receiving messages to your mobile, receiving calls, how you are talking. Same. This is the power. Thought moves with tremendous velocity. Those who entertain sublime and pious thoughts help others who are in their vicinity and at a distance also. Okay. Diversity of thought vibrations. Every man has his own mental world, his own mode of thinking, his own way of understanding things, and his own way of acting. Just as the face and voice of every man differ from those of another man, the mode of thinking and understanding also different. So that is the reason why misunderstanding easily exists between friends. But see, where the misunderstanding happening? In relationships or everywhere. Because we are not tuned to other thoughts. What really the other person needed? You're not tuned. You not understand. Always you are in your world. You're in mental world. You only want whatever you want to do. But what the person needed, what your husband or wife expecting from you, what really helped them, what really something to do for them. When you tune thoughts of others, then it is easy. You can able to give without asking. Tuning means without asking. You have to tune your thoughts. Then you receive, or intuitively you do the work, whatever they like to do, whatever they like, feel like something they're expecting from you. If you're doing, they're happy. So when you tune the thoughts of others, it is easy for you. Your relationships very better. So when you tune your working environment with your employees or colleagues, then it is easy for you to work in such environment. Okay, so one should be tuned with the mental vibrations or thought vibrations of another. Then only can one easily understand another. So if you really want to understand other, you have to tune the thoughts of others. How can you tune? By emptying your mind. By emptying your mind, by being here in this present moment, it happens. Just be here in this present moment. You will receive the messages. But it is not like something audible messages. No. It happens. It happens for me many times. So whenever I do some teachings, people want to ask some questions at the end. They already raised their hands, but at the end of the session, the questions already answered. I didn't receive any questions. They didn't say anything, but at the end of the session, already answered. Because you need to tune. When you tune, you will listen to them. It naturally happens. So there is no other communication. So if it is naturally happens, then you will get all the solutions. There is no argument. There is no discussion, nothing. Only solution. Learn to unwind the mind. Do not store in your brain useless information. Learn to unwind the mind. Unlearn whatever has been of no use to you. See, we are keeping in so much unwanted information, unnecessary information about the neighbors, neighbor issues, neighbor problems, other issues where there is no importance. We go and involve in that matter. Nothing we are going to do, but we want to know. We want to involve in that, and we keep all those unwanted information. We watch all the bad, negative news, and we keep stored everything. Everything. We want everything. Then when you store everything, your mind full of all unwanted information. If you have full of unwanted information, how can you keep your mind positive? First, stop receiving unwanted information. Receiving through your eyes, through your ears. Stop receiving. So when you stop receiving, then you're emptying. Then you receive the positivity. So stop receiving all the negative, unwanted information and add all the positive information to purify your mind. If you keep on receiving a negative information that disturb you, that will not give you the results. Think about that so far. At this present moment, how much information you gathered, how much information that helpful for your lifetime. Anything, friends, either movies or news, your education, your discussions, your argument, your anything. Think about it. I don't interfere in others' matters. I just guide. I don't go and interfere. No. Interference, gossips, complaints, that cannot work out. That creates the problems. We think that we are going to solve the problem. Nothing. If you have a problem, you can able to solve. So think about it. Whatever is unwanted information, delete from your mind. It's in your hand. And stop receiving a negative information. Allow positive information. Fulfill your mind, every cell, with the positive energy. Then why don't your life changed? If you are completely in positive state, completely in pure energy. So think about it, friends. It's in your hands. It's only in your hands. If you go anywhere, nobody cannot help you. Only you are the one can help yourself. Even if you go to the doctor give the pill. It will work for 1 day, 2 day. And every day you are taking the pills. Your body is accustomed to receive the pills. Your mechanism. If you're not going to take 1 day pill, your body is asking. Then suddenly you feel drained. So don't depend on other medicine. Try to reduce your medicine. Do meditation. Boost your own energy. By following all this, the most of energy we are losing all this unwanted information. We have to know first what is wanted, unwanted information, what is a good or bad. Okay. Okay, friends, now let us do some meditation. So during meditation, we purify our thoughts. During meditation, we cleanse unwanted things. That is the reason we are doing meditation. Naturally, it will go away. The energy knows what to take out from you. All we need to do, sit and close our eyes, observe our breath, and empty your mind. Then everything go away. The energy knows. So it happens. So if you want to change your life, you have to sit here in this present moment. So sit in a comfortable, relaxable posture. I'm going to play the music. So along the music, I will be guiding friends. If you want to drink water, you can drink water. Sit in a comfortable, relaxable posture. Cross your both hands fingers. Cross your legs and close your eyes. Just relax, my dear friends. There is no hurry now. There is nothing to do now. Just relaxing. Complete relaxation. Just observe your natural breathing. Incoming and outgoing breath. normal, natural, easy breath. If your breath is deeper and longer, let it be deeper and longer. If your breath is shorter and shallow, let it be shorter and shallow. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present and stay here with your breath. Be with your breath, my dear friends. Just follow with your breath. The incoming and outgoing breath. Don't entertain any thoughts. Last 5 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Seconds. Seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your both hands, fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Okay, friends, welcome back. Today we have done 30 minutes of meditation. If anybody would like to share your experiences or would like to ask any question, you can raise your hand. Yes, please unmute, ma'am. Yes, Samarji, please unmute.
जी हाँ
हाँ
जी जी सर मैंने ये शेयर करना था कि आई बीन डूइंग मेडिटेशन फॉर कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, लेकिन मैंने अब मतलब आई कैन फील कि ये जो ग्रुप मेडिटेशन है इट हैज़ अनदर मतलब एक डिफरेंट किस्म की एनर्जी आई कैन फील इट्स मोर लाइक ज़्यादा वाइब उसकी ज़्यादा हाई है उसकी
हाँ
आई कैन
जी,
फील दैट एनर्जी लाइक जैसे वन ऑन वन मेडिटेशन में करी थी उसमें इतना फील नहीं हो रहा था, इसे ग्रुप मेडिटेशन में काफ़ी फील होता है।
हाँ जी. Yes, that's why I suggest everyone to join live sessions and practice group meditation. So group meditation is more powerful and more energetic than doing individual. Once we are on track, then you can do individual. So first collective energy. Once we are collectively received energy and practice together, then you can practice anywhere. So initial days together, if possibility is there, together. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू।
Yes. Arpa ji. Yes.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum, ma'am.
मैं सिर्फ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगी, जो सुबह आपने नोट शेयर किए हैं, फिर जो हमारी ब्रीथिंग थेरेपी है। लेकिन आज के जो लेक्चर से मुझे लर्निंग हुई है, वो ये कि 2-3 दिन से मेरे ऑफ़िस में ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिसहैप्स हो रहे थे। मतलब क्योंकि मेरी पोर्टफ़ोलियो में डिफरेंट चीज़ें ऐड हुई हैं और कुछ लोगों को नहीं, आपको पता है कि जी वो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाते हैं कि जी अगर किसी को प्रमोट हो रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें। तो कल रात तक मैं बहुत स्लीपलेस रही, लेकिन सुबह का लेक्चर अटेंड करने के बाद जो आपने कहा नेगेटिव नेगेटिव थॉट्स जब जमा होते रहते हैं, तो वो पिरामिड बन जाता है।
हाँ
तो
जी.
उससे काफ़ी रिलैक्सेशन हुई इन लास्ट मतलब 30-40 मिनट्स में। और फिर मैंने सोचा अगर मैं नेगेटिव सोचती रहूँगी ना, तो शायद वो सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलेगा और मैं
Yes.
नेगेटिविटी को लेकर साथ चलती रहूँगी और जो जॉब कल मुझे हैंडल हुई है या लास्ट वीक हैंडल हुई है, मैं परफ़ॉर्म नहीं कर पाऊँगी। तो
Yes, ma'am.
ऑब्वियसली जो मैनेजमेंट ने मुझे चीज़ें दी हैं, तो अब यकीनन कुछ ना कुछ उन्होंने देखा होगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे ये आज जो है ना काफ़ी रिलैक्सेशन मिली, वरना कल रात तक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब थी।
Hmm.
इवन वो नमाज़ भी नहीं प्रॉपर पढ़ी जा रही थी, तो मतलब कोई मसले का हल नज़र नहीं आ रहा था।
हाँ जी. Yes.
तो थैंक यू वन्स अगेन।
Thank you, ma'am.
सेकंडली
Always. Yes, ma'am.
जी,
Please.
जो मेरे नेफ्यू हैं, उन्हें साइनस प्रॉब्लम है, तो क्या
Hmm.
मैं उनको ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज़ से मतलब ले सकती हूँ? क्योंकि मुझे खुद ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ा है, मुझे अक्सर प्रॉब्लम रहती थी।
Mm-hmm.
साइनस प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट मुझे अक्सर फ्लू और कफ वो है, तो जो मैं रेगुलरली ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज़ कर रही हूँ ना, उससे नो डाउट मुझे ना मेडिसिन भी नहीं लेनी पड़ी, ना मैं सिरप ले रही हूँ, बट ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज़ से मुझे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट आई है।
हाँ जी. Sinus is very good. Very, like practicing meditation, it's very easy to clear. I think one of our participant from evening session, she already cured sinuses just by
जी,
practicing 3 weeks of meditation. Everything possible, ma'am. Everything is possible.
ठीक
Yes.
है। अच्छा सर, कल वो मैंने रिक्वेस्ट की थी, कल हम लोग की ईद है, वो सैक्रिफाइस वो सुबह सब लोग बिज़ी होते हैं ईद की नमाज़, तो कल का जो सेशन है आई थिंक नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस और जो मेरी और भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो उसके लिए फिर हम क्या करेंगे अगर सुबह मिस हो गया तो?
Mhm. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very
थैंक
much.
यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Friends, anything, whatever we are experiencing, whatever we are receiving, if we believe the God, if you believe the universe, so God knows, universe knows what should give to at this moment. Even the challenge for you, but the God knows. But for the baby, walking is challenge. It's finding difficult to walk. But trying to walk, it's a nature. So similarly, every situation in our life, God knows, okay, they should face the challenge to learn from that, to strengthen our energy, to strengthen our willpower. So accept it, everything, be positive, everything changes. Yes, Ali ji, please unmute.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much for a wonderful experience.
Yes.
I was joined since last 15 days, but I was not online. I was after my time. I was listening to recording sessions for that, and that is a wonderful experience. I have I've been meditation so long period. Group meditation and online experience was something that logic, intellectual capacity, and wisdom. Then again to the way to the layer of meditation. Something. I have a question that we have discussed thought process. So how long we can manage our autopilot, like subconscious mind? We can prepare for our subconscious mind for what we do not know that we find that things. Yeah.
So nothing we can put any efforts to manage. Only we can do that. You just sit here and observe your breath, emptying your mind. Okay. So your subconscious, conscious, everything will be all right. Naturally, you feel what to think, what should not think. So everything comes naturally without any efforts. So that is the reason we are meditating hours and hours to purify our thoughts. And with the positive affirmations, with the positive affirmations, with the positive thinking, everything is possible. So further, to have a positive thought, first of all, we have to take out this negativity. To take out negativity, you have to be here and sit in this present moment, observe your breath. We have to empty first. There is a dirty water in your tumbler. Okay, if you keep on pouring the dirty water, you pure water also, and you can see the dirtiness. But of course, it takes time to take out. If you keep pouring the pure water, the dirty always there, but it comes slowly up. So we have to purify first. Then naturally everything comes. Everything naturally comes. Positive thinking, positive reading, positive listening. So we need to change the pattern, the thinking pattern, habits, actions. So everything comes naturally, sir. Yes. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. And see you tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great day.